For those folk who are already inside the United States, how do you prove your legal status? So some of my clients have expressed their concern about possible immigration enforcement under the Trump administration. And if they were to encounter immigration officials inside the United States who question their legal status in the US, how do you satisfy those immigration officials uh, that you are legally in the US in E2 visa status? There are three key documents that you need to be aware that will clearly demonstrate your lawful non-immigrant in E2 status. First, you need to have identity documents. So that typically will be a valid passport, especially the photo identification page. And a key document demonstrating legal status in the United States is what's called the I-94 arrival record. This is a record that's created when the foreign national enters the United States, and the border CBP officer will create this record showing the foreign national's legal status in the US, the type of visa status, the date of entry, as well as the duration of authorized stay. And this I-94 record typically is now created online. So you would go to the CBP website to print out your I-94 record by entering your information, your passport info, your name, birthday, etc. So you want to print that out, and it'll show your a duration of authorized stay. And as long as that expiration date is still valid, then that demonstrates your legal status. And the third document you want to have available is the E2 visa stamp, the visa that you utilize to seek entry into the United States. And that visa must be valid at the time you saw entry. But if your E2 visa has expired, um, while you're in the US, but you still have valid I-94 authorized stay, that's fine. That's fine because your legal stay in the US is controlled by the I-94 record, not by the E2 visa in your passport. The E2 visa and passport is simply an entry document, meaning that you can seek entry into the US in E2 status during the validity period of your E2 visa. And once you enter the United States, your stay is fully controlled by I-94. So even if the E2 visa and the passport has expired, you can continue to legally stay here as long as you have a valid I-94 record. For more information regarding the E2 investor visa, please feel free to visit my website, e2visalawyer.net. I have a ton of free information, including 28 frequently asked questions and answers, as well as an ebook that will answer most of your questions.